A tornado warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Kiowa County. A tornado emergency for Greensburg. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado. This tornado was located 5 miles south of Greensburg, moving north at 20 miles per hour. A violent tornado was on a direct path for portions of Greensburg, especially the eastern portions of town. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation for Greensburg. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Take cover now. Do not wait. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for southwestern Kansas.